Hey everyone, Jake Easter here at MarineMax down here in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I have another beautiful 310 SLX 2021 year model that I want to throw at you guys today. Starting off at the stern of the boat, we have two 300 Mercury Verado outboards. Nice sun lounge area to relax, face the back of the boat when your kids, dogs, whatever you have in the water at the time, you're able to face. And I just want to show you guys straight off the bat how much storage you can fit back here. I mean, it's unreal what Sea Ray's done with this. You also have in your cup holders here LED lights, which is really nice when it's dark outside and you can't really see. Do want to point out as well, there is a cooler right here as you get on the boat. So if you're getting out of the water, you know, you want something to drink, it's right here waiting on you, nice and cold, just so you don't get everybody else wet when you're coming out of the water. And again, this boat is mainly fit for families wanting to spend a lot of time with each other. A lot of seating. You can sit so many people right here, have a nice conversation, and just relax and enjoy time with everybody. They like to call this a Coliseum Seating. It's really nice. And I want to point out as well, nice place to make drinks, you know, set up some food for your guys or your girls on the boat. Oh, and don't forget, if you want to cool off some champagne or whatnot, this is a perfect spot to do that. I know your wives will enjoy that as well. You have your sink. And this option right here, you can actually have a refrigerator. But this one, they just decided to leave it as storage, which is totally fine. Whatever suits your needs. Into the port side of the Helm, there is this seat actually swivels. So if you want to face your friends and family at the back side of this boat, you can turn it this way. Or if you'd like to face the bow of the boat, you can do that as well. And going to the Helm, of course, is the best part of this boat. Looks really, really nice. You have your two 12-inch Simrad displays. Big Helm seat. This boat is also equipped with your joystick. Has sky hook as well, just so you can stay right where you want to be at all times when the option is on. You have your Fusion radio, which is a great feature on this boat as well. And do want to point out that there is a decent, I wouldn't say decent, very large head right here, just in case you want to get out, kind of cool off a little bit, maybe get ready for dinner or whatever the case may be. This is awesome to have. A little bit of storage right here for, you know, phones, wallets, keys, whatever the case is. And making our way to the bow. Again, lots of seating. If you have a lot of people on board, like I said, in the middle, up front, you can sit comfortably, face two people to the front of the boat. Very nice feature. You have your speakers up here as well, just so you can feel all the vibrations in the loud stereo system that is on this boat. This boat is equipped with a windlass as well, just so you're not standing up here cranking and, you know, trying to get those biceps too big. That is a great option to have as well. And I do want to remind you guys too that we do have a hard top on this 310 SLX. Very nice feature. Does have the convertible top that you can, you know, move back and forth for whatever you may like to do. And it does have a sure shade as well, just so if you're sitting on the sun pad on the back of this boat, it will extend out, just in case you don't get, you know, too red throughout the day on the water. Again, this is our 2021 310 SLX. Beautiful boat. I highly recommend families that are looking to spend a lot of time together. This is a great option. Again, this is Jake Easter here in Fort Myers, Florida. Please give us a call and we'll be glad to help.